you guys how to make mayonnaise. As we all know, mayonnaise is everyone's beloved food dressing. No matter what food you're eating, from your healthy salad to your simple burger, you can always add a little bit of mayonnaise. And now I'm going to show you guys how mayonnaise is scientifically made. Mayonnaise is an oil in water emulsion, which is a mixture of two liquids that normally can combine. The process of making an emulsion is called emulsification. Combining oil and water is a classic example of this recipe. You won't see me adding any water to the mayonnaise to form an emulsion, which I'll explain later on. Emulsifying is done by slowly adding one ingredient to another, while simultaneously mixing them rapidly. This disperses and dispenses tiny droplets of one liquid to another, and in order to perform emulsification to create the mayonnaise, you'll be needing oil, any kind, such as vegetable oil, olive oil, or animal oil, an egg, or just the yolk, vinegar, or any kind of acidic substances that is edible, and water if you're only using the egg. Relative stability towards microbial spoilage has been attributed to the high salt content, which is why a mayonnaise is supposed to have some salt content from the sodium chloride, as well as a low pH from the vinegar. Mayonnaise on its own doesn't have any specific chemical equation, as it is an emulsion, not a compound. But each component do have their chemical formula, such as the egg white, which is C6H8N2O4, the egg yolk, which is C46H89N08P, as well as vinegar, which is CH3COOH. And since we're using flexible oil to make this mayonnaise, which is a triglyceride with 3 long chains, there's 3 different chemical formula for each chain, which is the oleic acid chain, which is C18H34NO2, the linoleic acid chain, which is C18H32NO2, and the linolenic acid chain, which is the C18H30NO2.
So first of all, we crack 3 whole eggs and put them into a bowl. Here, the key step is to not throw away our egg white, since it's an important component to our recipe. Add 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. Pour our mixture of egg and vinegar into the blender and mix them together. And add 25 tablespoons of oil to a separate bowl, while adding a few bit of our oil. Add more oil once you're done blending it, and blend them again for 5 minutes straight. Wait for it to blend and add more oil to it. In order for this mayonnaise to be very thick and rich, we have to add 1.5 tablespoons of salt in order for it to have this consistency and stability in terms of emulsion itself. The longer we blend this mayonnaise, the thicker it is supposed to be. But here, if we blend for too long in our blender, we might have a result of a bit watery, like liquidish texture, since the blender might overheat. Put the blender inside the freezer or refrigerator, depending on which you're choosing to put the mayonnaise to. It could take as long as 3 days in the refrigerator, but it could be done in about half day inside the freezer and another half day in the refrigerator. Seasoning purposes, I'm adding a bit of garlic and celery in order for this mayonnaise to have that light and fresh texture as well. Since our mayonnaise is made with raw eggs, it is necessary to add some freshness to it, since we are adding a lot of vinegar.
So for the role of each substance here, the egg yolk here acts as the emulsifier because it contains lecithin, which is a natural emulsifier itself. And the egg white is a replacement of water, because an egg white is 90% water, which is the substance that is emulsified with oil to form the emulsion, which is our mayo. As for the oil on its own, it gives the mayonnaise its thick and rich texture, while for vinegar, it is used to lower down the pH level in order to form a stable emulsion. Not only that, it also kills Not only that, it also kills salmonella, which makes it safe for our homemade mayonnaise to be consumed. Salt could also help in forming the stable emulsion, which is why we add a few bits of salt to our mayonnaise. The type of bonding in this process is called covalent bonding. In covalent bonding, when the electrons are equally shared, they are called non-polar. And when the electrons are not equally sharing, they are called polar molecules. Emulsifier is a molecule that has a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail, which can turn heterogeneous mixture into a homogeneous mixture. This is linked to our theory about the polar and non-polar molecules. And the hydrophilic head is basically the substance that has a polar head, so it will dissolve in water because water is a polar substance as well, with our principle and rule, which is light dissolves light. And the hydrophobic substance will not dissolve in water because of its non-polar head. Egg yolk contains lecithin, which is an emulsifier substance, which has a head and a tail. One is hydrophilic and the other one is hydrophobic. The hydrophilic head will attract to vinegar and egg white because vinegar and egg white is substance that is mostly made up of water. And in fact, as I previously said, the egg white is 90% water. And the hydrophobic tail will attract to oil because of its non-polar head, which helps in creating the emulsion in this emulsification process.